Oh, hello YouTube. Welcome to my first ever video on this. And today I'm gonna be playing Dark Deception because my friend Alex recommended it. And I tried streaming this game before, but my laptop was not very good at the time and had a lot of space or storage taken up. So hopefully it works better and I can actually record something. I chose to do a horror game for my video.
Dark Deception.
It's very loud. And it took forever to set up the recording system for this, so hopefully it back. F. I know Beerus, because I played
Oh,
the bit.
another
Oh,
one.
Jesus.
How nice to
Oh,
have some company again.
hello.
Come over here. Let's have a look at you. You disappoint me, love. You really do.
I've been
So
told
many
that.
fears. So many desires. I thought you'd be bigger.
Are you kidding? I'm advertising.
Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done.
I haven't done much.
So many good intentions laid to waste.
That's kind of true.
I can see the regret eating away at your soul.
I don't really have. Well, there are some regrets.
But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg.
Not gonna really beg.
You
but
can't
okay.
go back. Only death awaits you there now.
Maybe that's like better than this.
Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you.
Can you just call
And
me
I can help
disappointment?
change your fate.
Okay.
But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
I don't know if it's worth it then, because you know, like this life now is it's okay. Oh, use this bar.
The pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these
It's
portals.
looking good so
Find
far.
them and bring them to me. And
Oh,
you'll get your
I
wish.
hate the aspect of running
Fail.
away from stuff.
And
This
you'll
is-
find there are
Oops,
fates
sorry.
far worse than death awaiting you here.
Well, I mean, don't you still? Oh my god. Oh! Let me just like hold up, give me a second. So man, you really can't turn down like the audio. I can turn down the music. That's great. That's what's concerning me. Do I have to like? How tall? She gotta be like 6'2". Oh boy. Oh no, I already don't like this. Oh, I just went backwards.
Clock's ticking.
Oh, this is not fun. This is not fun. This is not fun. Jeez. Oh, I'm not gonna like this whatsoever. Monkey business. Oh, great. Oh, fuck.
What a charming little hotel.
Oh, yeah, charming.
Bring back any memories?
Breakfast and murder. No, I don't. No, I don't have any bad hotel memories. Well, actually, I do. There's one, but you know, this is like a really fancy hotel. Oh fuck no. Hey, sir. Oh, are you walking? You better not be walking. I will break you. Please leave. Do I have to? You gonna make me walk? Oh. I already know it's gonna. Come on, do it already. Hey, monkey. Oh, Jesus. Fuck. great. Yeah, this is.
Going up?
Okay. This might be like a 10-minute video because I might just be too scared to finish it, but you never know. Oh, hey, yo, the lights just... Don't do that, please.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal? Those are soul shards.
They look like
Fragments
Jolly
of human
Ranchers.
spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
So, like, how many
Each
people got
crystal
turned
is
into
a
Jolly
remnant of one
Ranchers?
who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the
Break
first ring
the
piece will be
boards.
yours.
Oh, I thought that's it.
One more thing. You're not alone.
Oh, no dip,
There
Sherlock.
are monsters in here,
Hell yeah, thanks for
and
telling
they're
me.
looking for you. Here, you'll need this. It can detect each shard's location.
289 people got turned into Jolly
To
Ranchers.
disappoint me here.
How do I break this?
A very clever girl,
Man, this
just not a very
not a.
fast runner. Enough instruction.
Don't worry, I'm
Break those
Saint. I'm
boards
like
and let's
the
get this
Mexican
party
version of
started.
Oh, fuck this. Alright, okay, guys. Okay. Just keep running. Oh! No, get the fuck away from me. Oh, fuck, I cornered myself. Oh, no. Get your ankles broken. Get away from me, bro. I hear the. Oh, God. Hey! Oh, you're right behind me! Get away from me! Oh, it's right behind me! Oh!
Death by monkey. Oh dear.
Oh, fuck.
Embarrassing.
That actually got me scared. Let's try this again. Oh. I don't like things chasing me. Oh, hey, yo, bro, we can talk about this. I got like some bananas. Do you want one? You know, I could give it to you for free of charge. You don't, free of charge. Just please don't kill me. That's like my only condition. They're tasty. They're ripe. I just. Oh my.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
I'm already about to lose and just started. Okay. I don't know, let's go left. Go on the right, thinking it's the way. Maybe this is the way. Sit under this. Oh no, please. Broski, I hear you! You're right behind me! Get away from me, please! Oh, what? Get away from me! Nah, fuck you. Oh, you opened the door! That's cheating! Homie's cheating, he's going through doors.
You've gathered half of the shard.
Oh, I'm only halfway? Oh,
I would have
cool.
thought you'd have been shredded by now.
Oh, I've dropped twice already, lady. No, fuck you, Donkey Kong ripoff. We're gaming? Maybe one of these? Oh no, get the fuck away! Come on, Ezra. No, we just go past this. We take these and we run. We take these and we run. No, get the fuck away from me, you stupid monkey. Sounds really bad. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 sir, 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 sir. Calm down, calm down. Calm down. I am no hablo inglés. Do you know, can I interest you? Wait, it shit right behind me and it was right in front of me. Are you, that's... Last checkpoint? Do I have a checkpoint? I don't want S rank. I just want to complete it. Oh, let's go, baby! That's what I'm talking about! This might be cheating, but I need all the help I can get. Oh, hey! Hey! What? I see one down the hall! Fuck. Oh, get your ankles broken. Get away from me, dude! Oh, fuck. It's almost got you, run!
Oh dear,
Oh,
how
what the fuck?
embarrassing.
Dude, it's not embarrassing. These things are fucking creepy. I've like said so... Okay. Alright, let me just get these two at the start. You know, they're here. Just take free ones. Where am I? Oh, fuck me. Fuck. Let's go for this one. Lonely Shore. Take the ones you can get. Go down this eerie hallway. Never mind, I hear a monkey. Monkey, go away. Monkey, go away. Monkey, go away. Monkey, go away. Away from me. Away from me, porfe. Away from me. Andale. Hey, homie. My pinky's cramping. Give me a second. It is on my finger. It hurts. Please stop. I have... I'm sorry. I didn't mean to intrigue on whatever you were doing. You can go back to that. I'll just get these shards.
That's what you get for monkeying around
Jesus
with murder
Christ.
monkeys.
This is not fun. I don't know why I did this, but... Okay, 39, and I have one life left. And I'm assuming if I die here, it is going to, like... put me back to my last checkpoint, which was 75. Which, you know, it was a good start, but, yeah, I haven't really got much started because I've been too... Dude, that's... Oh, cheating!
You are dead.
It's gonna do this again. You know, 34, let's go! Man, I think this is gonna give me this until I complete it, but, you know, I'll take that. I literally am scared. Dude, stop camping! He's camping me! Oh, get your ankles broken, Psyche. You thought I was gonna go there? Ooh. Fucking stupid ass man. I don't know what's happening. Are we like playing Ring Around the Rosie? If so, I don't like it. Can we... It found you!
By monkey.
I hate
Oh
mirrors.
dear, how embarrassing.
Okay. Let's go. How many more? We got 25. Alright, to the right. We adventure. This game. Okay, that's cheating. How are you there, sir? Please get away from me. I'm cornered.
Run! Death by monkey.
I'm so
Oh
mad.
dear, how embarrassing.
You know, okay, we're just gonna keep doing this until I will eventually win the video game. Hopefully. Maybe, is there one this way? No, okay. Dude, this is what I get for, like, running in a spree of panic. Because now they're all just like... What the hell? Oh. No, stop. Stop. Please. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. I wanted the shard. I knew I was gonna... Oh, what the frick? Okay. Let's do this again. 15. Let's go, baby. New record. I'm just gonna go in and okay, I'm gonna get jump scared. 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 Stupid ass monkey. Oh fuck! Give me this.
It helps if you don't let them stab
Dude,
you in
I'm
the
gonna
face.
get. Is there like a rank below E? Cause that's what I probably should get. Oh, there's a new shard this way. I've been this way. I want to go this way. Give me the shard, please. I see them. Alright. Oh my god, how many did I miss here? This is like so much. Oh yeah, 5 more, baby. Okay, well, I'll just go this way then, if you don't mind. Where's like my power-ups, bro? Can I get like a power-up? I'm lost. Like lost in the sauce. I don't know where I am actually. I'm just... Oh, it's... Come on. I can do this. You can do this, Ezra. I know you hear it right behind you, but look, if you die, you die, okay? That's what every tough man has said.
You've gathered all of the soul shards.
Yeah!
The ring piece is now exposed.
Am I free now? I'm not free. I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing.
Can I... How do I get back? I don't know the map. I've just been running.
You've gathered all of the soul shards.
Okay. You're mad at me. Yeah, we go here. I'm going as fast as I can. Lady, please shut up. It's right here. Come on, baby. Give me this one thing. Bro, you're cheating. He's camping. He's camping. He literally camped the entrance. What was I supposed to do?
You've gathered all.
What the hell am I supposed to do, Beers? He's camping. They're literally. This is. I hate this game. I hate this game so much. I don't know why I play this. You know, I could have put. Fuck you.
Right behind you. It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face. You've gathered all of the soul
we go here.
shards.
The
ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into.
Dude, like, okay, I know what to do.
The ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
So, okay, someone. Okay, I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to trigger the first one and then juke around somehow without getting scared, because you know I always do that. And then
the ring piece is now exposed.
Yeah, look, I know what I'm supposed to do. Watch this.
And the monsters will go into a frenzy.
How did you know, bro? How did you know? I'm not giving up on this, baby.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring
I'm right
piece
here.
is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. The ring piece
Okay.
That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway. You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. The ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you. Run! That's what you get for monkeying around.
I'm trying, Beerus. Okay.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. The ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
What? What am I supposed to do? Okay. What? So there's okay. So I have to run. Okay. No, don't restart.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters
Maybe like just
will
let it go
into a
and then try again.
Get to the
Like,
ring
now
piece
try.
before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Please. Get the fuck away from me, you stupid. Come on, I'm right here.
Found you.
How?
And that's
He's...
what you get for monkeying around with murder
They're camping
monkeys.
the entrances. What am I supposed to do?
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Come face me, bro. I'm not even scared of you. I'm just more of annoyed of how long this is over.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
Okay, can I like pause this to see? Let me pause. Okay, so he is. There's 2 at each entrance for the ring piece, but I can't. If I choose one, I have to go all the way back around without freaking out, and okay. So there's 2 at the entrance, and they don't move unless I alert them, and I have to run away far enough. I don't know. Let's give it one more try, and if not,
You've gathered
I don't know
all
what to
of the
do,
soul
so
shards.
I will give up.
The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will
What's up,
go
motherfuckers? What's up, bitches? My name's Miley Cyrus. My name's oh fuck, I'm dead. My name's Miley Cyrus. I like going on vacations and taking long walks across a beach. I probably am like 10 times richer than you.
You
Okay,
are dead.
that I'm done. This game bad. Well, that was probably going to be my first and only playthrough of Dark Deception. You know, as you can see, I'm not very good at the game. I get scared easily, and I didn't know what to do at the end. I probably could have like baited both of them and just ran around the map with them chasing me, but I'm too scared to do that. Yeah, that's just pretty much it. I'm just scared. I don't really like getting chased, so maybe this wasn't the game to play for my first video, but hopefully if anyone watched it, you enjoyed it, and yeah, that's it. And thank you, Alex, for this wonderful recommendation. Really enjoyed playing it. Until then, see you next time.